Alright peeps, welcome back to another video from my side. Basically want to say that over the past 6 days I've done nothing. Basically because I am quite sort of with a sore on my throat. But always you are not in the mood of studying and improving your skills. And yeah, I was thinking and I was making some practices on speaking in front of a camera and delivering a message, and I was trying to be direct. I was trying to spoke with the most perfect accent, with the most perfect intonation, but at the same time I realized that I print a sort of pressure. That sort of pressure you don't want to imprint at the same time that you speak, but because of you are trying to be perfect. So that's the pressure that is actually and can be seen, can be smelled at the same time. So with this short video, I want to say, do not try to be perfect. Try to be yourself. So try to do and behave as you do, and afterwards, you will be more transparent, more down to the earth, if I call it that way, perhaps. And yeah, so again, this video was made as well because I want to use this platform, YouTube platform, to improve myself and to see how is my current knowledge, how are the things that I'm going through in terms of education, in terms of improvement. And as I told you, I've done nothing these days, and I say that it's because I was kind of sort of tired. But there is always some stuff that need to be improved, and yeah, I want to use this channel as well for that. So there are many people that use YouTube as that same way, and I want to share this with you because I know that most of you use YouTube to learn or to be better at something. You, like me, you watch content of other creators that are trying to improve their life, like step by step. I know that can be that can be done. So yeah, this is the thought that I had right now. I hope anyways came up with some other content. I don't know. So let's see. Thank you so much either way for checking this video. If you have some comments, I will be reviewing them, because when you leave a comment, it appears automatically on my phone. So take care and I'll see you around. Bye. Okay, I want to show you a little bit of this house. Is a sunny day, by the way, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you around.